So this is the Razer Viper Mini gaming mouse, one of the most popular gaming mice on the market and also potentially the cheapest Razer mouse as well. But is this a good or bad thing? What's up good people, Vlad here, so let's check out how good or bad this mouse is.
Looking for affordable Windows or Office keys? Look no further, I got you covered. Head over to scdkey.com, pick your Windows edition, use my discount code LE25 to get a 25% on any Windows or Office products. Once you complete your order, after a few seconds you will receive your code. In Windows, go to Settings, there should be an Activate Windows prompt at the bottom. Click that, enter your code and wait for Windows to finish activation. To check the activation status, use the command prompt with the command slmgr.vbs/xpr and you should receive a notification that the machine is permanently activated. Once again, use code LE25 at scdkey.com.
As gamers, we all know how important it is to have the right gear to get the most out of our gaming experience. And when it comes to mice, the Razer Viper Mini is definitely worth checking out. First off, let's talk about the size of this mouse. At just 61 grams, the Viper Mini is one of the lightest gaming mice on the market. This makes it perfect for fast-paced games where quick reflexes are a must. The lightweight design also means that it's easier on your hand and risks reducing fatigue during long gaming sessions. But don't let the size fool you, the Viper Mini packs a punch when it comes to performance. It has an optical sensor 8500 dpi, it's a Pixar 3359 with tracking speed of 300 IPS and 35G acceleration as well. The switches are Razer's optical, meaning that the input lag is significantly reduced, plus they are rated up to 50 million clicks. Plus, it has 6 programmable buttons that you can customize using Razer's CHEAPEST software. This allows you to set up your mouse exactly how you like it, whether you're playing a fast-paced shooter or a more strategic game. Two main buttons are Razer optical switches, which can withstand 50 million clicks. The DPI button is behind the scroll wheel, and we have two side buttons which are pleasant on the click. The scroll wheel is also nice, it has tactile steps with a soft click and it's smooth while scrolling thanks to the rubber texture on it. The wired version of the Razer Viper Mini mouse has two large mouse feet, one on the bottom of each side of the mouse. These mouse feet are made of a high-quality 100% PTFE material, which is known for its low friction and smooth glide. The mouse feet are designed to help the mouse glide smoothly across different surfaces, providing a more precise and comfortable gaming experience. The dimensions of the Razer Viper Mini mouse are as follows. Length is 118mm, the width is 61mm, and its tallest point, the height, is 38.3mm. These dimensions make the Viper Mini a relatively small and compact mouse, which can be more comfortable for people with smaller hands. Its lightweight design and customizable buttons also makes it suitable for a wide range of games and grip styles. One of the standout features of the Viper Mini is its ambidextrous design. It is designed to be suitable for all grip styles. It has this ambidextrous design, meaning that it can be used comfortably by both left-handed and right-handed users. The mouse has a symmetrical shape but without rubber textured grips on the sides as with the original Viper mouse. Although it is ambidextrous, it does not have back and forward buttons on the right side, so it is not 100% left-handed compatible. Left and right buttons both have a nice groove, so they are comfy on your fingers. It comes with a Razer SpeedFlex cable, which is a lightweight and flexible cable that reduces drag and allows for smoother movement. The SpeedFlex cable is made of a braided material that is resistant to wear and tear, making it more durable than traditional rubber cables. It is also designed to be tangle-free, so you won't have to deal with knots or tangles when using the mouse. The cable length of the mouse is exactly 2.1 meters, that's about 7 feet, which should be long enough for most gaming setups. The mouse also has a gold-plated USB connector, which helps ensure a stable and reliable connection to your computer. But the Viper Mini isn't just about function, it also has style. It comes with Razer's Chroma Lighting, which allows you to choose from 16.8 million color options. This means you can match the lighting to your other Razer gear or just pick your favorite color to suit your mood. The mouse has one large RGB zone on the bottom and it can be customized using Razer's CHEAPEST software. The CHEAPEST software allows you to customize other aspects of the mouse as well, such as the DPI sensitivity, button settings, beside lighting effects. This makes it easy to set the mouse exactly how you like it, whether you are playing a FPS games, I don't know, strategic games and such. Overall, the Razer Viper Mini is a fantastic gaming mouse that offers a great balance of performance and style. It's perfect for fast-paced games like first-person shooters and real-time strategy games, and its lightweight design and customizable buttons make it a great choice for all types of gamers. Here is a sound test so you can hear how all the buttons sound, or does it squeak or creak during the hard squeeze test. So if you're in the market for a new gaming mouse, be sure to give the Razer Viper Mini a try. I think that you'll love it as much as I did. It's a good choice for budget gamers for a few reasons. First, the price. The Viper Mini is priced at a lower point compared to some other gaming mice on the market, making it more affordable for budget-conscious gamers. Believe it or not, I got this one for only $16 during the Black Friday sale. Regularly it's hovering around up to $30 US, which again is not a big price for a mouse. Secondly, it's the performance. Despite its lower price point, the Viper Mini still offers great performance with its 8500 dpi optical sensor and 6 programmable buttons. It also has a lightweight design and customizable ambidextrous shape, making it suitable for a wide range of gamers and grip styles. Then it's the customization. The Viper Mini comes with Razer Synapse software, which allows you to customize the mouse sensitivity, button settings and lighting effects. This allows you to tailor the mouse to your preferences, making it feel more comfortable and responsive. Also, this could be a con to some of you, as not everyone likes the additional software on their computer, but luckily it has onboard memory, so you need to use the software only once to program it to your liking and never use it again. It's also durable. It's built to withstand the rigors of gaming. With durable design and high quality components, this means it should last for a long time, even with heavy use, making it a good value for the price. 50 million clicks and textured PBT shell which withstand heavy use. So overall, the Razer Viper Mini is a great choice for budget gamers who want a high performance mouse without breaking a bank. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to check my other videos as well, sub to the channel, leave a like and happy gaming.